Hello, welcome to EpicPro. This video will demonstrate how to create a single purchase order. First, hover over Accounts Payable on the left panel. Then, select Data Entry, and click Single Purchase Order. From here click the button labeled New Purchase Order. You will then select who the purchase order is getting created for. PO Header is the first tab shown. Here, you will fill in all the text boxes necessary to give more information about the purchase order. Once completed, save the PO header. The second tab labeled Line Items is where you will enter things such as materials, and the information that goes with it. After each line item, you will click Update on the pop-up. Amounts and quantities will then automatically update to the PO header. This was our demonstration on how to enter single purchase orders. Thank you for choosing EpicPro.